Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys lava phone guide display setting, and today video title is guys how to enable auto rotate mode in lava phone device, and after on how to use it I will show you in this video guys. Friends, you want to enable guys your phone auto rotate mode setting. So what is auto rotate and how to use it in lava phone device? Today friends we are going to talk about. So first of all guys, if you new in my channel, so friends first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So friends, first of all open your lava phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting in your lava phone device. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your lava phone get display setting. So guys, click on display setting. Then guys, first guys you can see guys your adaptive brightness setting. So if you want to use adaptive brightness setting, you can on and you can use from here. Night light guys you want to use, so guys you can on and you can use it. So friends, scroll it and once you can see guys your screen time mode setting and auto rotate setting is here. So guys we will enable from here. After enable guys, how to use it? Suppose guys you are using your Google app and guys any app, and so you want to rotate your screen automatic. So when you will do like that, so friends you can see screen will rotate automatic. So like that guys we can enable auto screen mode setting guys, and guys we can use it in lava phone device like that guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to enable guys auto rotate screen mode in lava phone device and how to use. And friends, direct guys you want to enable, so guys search here guys auto setting guys. Auto setting friends, you can see auto rotate screen direct guys you can enable, and friends you can use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.